welcome back to my channel. I had to film this right away because it's very important. So today, in the mail, I finally got my first Ipsy bag. I know it seems kind of crazy considering I'm a makeup artist, and I don't know if a lot of you know what I do, but I tour and I am personal glam to artists on tour. That's what I do in real life, but in COVID life, I've decided to pick up doing YouTube because I love doing makeup and hair. So I feel the need to still keep doing it, and this is one way I could do it, and it's exciting for me. With that being said, I never really got an Ipsy bag because I knew what I needed, I knew what I had to get, and that's what I would go buy. And I was always a little bit like nervous that if I bought an Ipsy bag, there would be stuff that I'd end up not using. And if you know me, you also know I'm real thrifty and I don't like wasting. I like secondhand, which with makeup is a no-no. I obviously could give away new stuff, sure, but yeah, I just never got it. But let me tell you guys something. So more recently, I discovered this amazing lady named Bailey Sarian, and she is a YouTuber. And I've been working on my YouTube channel for years, and then I started really working on it more in the last few months. And then while I was working on it, this amazing woman like popped out of nowhere and literally became my idol in like 24 hours, where I was like, oh, that's who I want to be when I grow up, although I'm older than she is, which, whatever. That's not important. Anyway, and then I find out she is releasing her own makeup palette, and obviously I'm gonna try it, like duh. At the time that I heard about it, the only place that they were releasing it was through Ipsy, and I was like, well, why not kill two birds with one stone and not only try Ipsy, which I've been curious about for years, but also get this palette. I love the colors because they're cute, so yeah. And so finally today, it came. And I'm so excited, I'm so pumped, and I will show you guys real quick what I got in there. And I got to pick stuff, which actually was awesome because I didn't know you could do that. And I don't know if you could do that before, but I think that was super rad because I actually picked stuff that I really wanted. I'm gonna be really happy with because I already know. So it comes with this little bag. And actually the first thing I'll show you guys is the brush I got. So I picked this. You get to pick 3 large items, and I got this Complex Culture brush. It's really beautiful. I actually feels really soft, and it's big. It's probably one of the bigger brushes I'll have, which I'm not sad about. It's cute. Life's complicated. How did they know? Jeez. The next thing that I picked that was one of the bigger things was this lip polish. If you know me, first of all, you should know I'm addicted to chapstick. Fun fact. Secondly, I like my lips to be so shiny or so matte. Like if it's red, I like them matte. If it's nothing, which I like to wear nothing, I like them super shiny. They're shiny. The thing that they threw in there that I was super stoked on that I didn't know was coming is this Huda Beauty Red Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. And like I just said, I like matte for my reds, so perfect. And I like Huda Beauty anyway, right up my alley. Let's try this, baby. It glides on so nice. Oh, it feels so good. God, it's so smooth feeling. Like, I can't even describe it. Oh, and it has a little, like, minty thing. I don't know. I love it. It feels comfortable. Holy crap. Maybe new favorite red lip. Like, I'm shocked. Oh man, that little minty feel is what I love in chapstick, and I'm real happy with that. I love it, yeah. The next thing I got that I didn't know I was getting is these Beauty For Real shadow sticks. I like shadow sticks actually. I like to use them as a base often. Just in general, I think people don't use shadow sticks enough, to be honest with you. And then finally, for the grand finale, the reason why all of this happened. So Bailey, thanks because I'm excited about all this new stuff, but it wouldn't be a thing if it wasn't for this shadow palette. Here we go. Look at that. Let's take this off. Look at these colors. Holy crap. They're beautiful. This is a mood, and I'm feeling this mood, man. Soul, Bonfire, Rose Tattoo. This one's like almost like a brick. I like it. Tan lines. Ocean Avenue. Toasty. Roller skates. Matches my tattoo. Oh my god, I love Puppy Love. This might be my favorite one. God, they just look pretty on my arm. I'm just gonna go into life like this. Hello. I guess I'm not going anywhere. Who are we kidding? Like. And then Venice Fling. All right. Let's do this. Let's go to work and make a look out of this. I'm starting with Toasty in the corner. Just so you don't get it all over yourself, I would take it easy. Don't go in there full fist, man. Do tiny bits at a time. I think it would make a mess if you just went all the way. So I'm like packing it on there, but also trying not to get too much everywhere. Blending that over to the center. Now I'm getting Rose Tattoo, and I'm gonna do that into the front. So it's sort of transitioning from the Toasty to the Rose Tattoo. I'm gonna blend those babies together. Blend them in, baby. So for the shimmers, they mentioned that it's better to use them wet, so I'm going to do that. I'm actually gonna add Ocean Avenue right to the corner here. Super shimmery, real pretty. I'm gonna do Puppy Love in the center here. They go on really nice wet. I'm not really getting any fallout from them being wet. I'm going in with roller skates right on the end there. I'm actually making kind of a hard line with it. Cool. Next I'm gonna do more of that toasty color underneath. The fallout on these is a little more than I like, I'm not gonna lie, but the colors are beautiful and Bailey's awesome, so I don't even care because I know that girl has worked really hard to get to where she's at. You can just wipe it off, okay? Easy. I think it's nice to help out like smaller businesses. Honestly, now Estate wasn't like a huge company and Bailey's gonna be helping them out, so that's great too, you know, maybe people will hear of them, check out their stuff. So it's great to help each other out, I think personally. How are you supposed to succeed alone? I think you sometimes need to collab with people or help people out or work with people. You never know who's gonna make it. In this case, it's like a perfect example of somebody that was a year ago when she was working on this, she had no idea that she would become so well known, and here at that time, I'm sure she felt like they were helping her out because nobody else might have been doing a palette with her, but this company was like, yeah, let's do it, you're awesome, because she is, and they took a chance and did it with her because they liked her, and now she's blown up huge and now she's actually helping them out. So sometimes it works out anyway, and I think it's good karma to try to help people out. I want to add the Soul, which is like the gold color, and I'm gonna add some right in here to blend these worlds together. There's a lot going on, but just trust me on this one. I kind of wanted to use them all at once, which practically I'm there. I'm not sad about it. I feel like it's super cute. Just wait, I'm gonna do lashes, I'm gonna do liner, all that jazz, and I will be back. All right, and here we are, final product. Overall, I would say it's definitely a little bit of a more difficult palette to work with. Pigments fall out a little bit, so you really gotta be careful. But the colors are beautiful, and honestly, if you work with something you're comfortable with and then add these as your like super beautiful shimmery colors as an addition, you can do a look like this. Just take your time, try not to overwork them. I'm not a super fan of the Venice Fling color itself, actually, but I'm determined. I'm gonna figure something out for this color. It's not one of my favorite colors, which I don't think has anything to do with anything but me. I suggest using them wet, so you can use like a setting spray or something like that for the shimmery colors. Overall, I think Bailey is a badass little beast, and I'm real proud of her, even though I don't really know her, but you know what I'm saying. I mean, as a businesswoman myself, it is a lot. It takes a lot to figure out who you're gonna work with, what you're gonna do, and you know, she's killing it all around, and I'm sure at this point people are gonna be tugging on her left and right, but she deserves all the success. I certainly wish her all the luck. This palette is really fun. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free. Vegan eyeshadows are harder to do anyway, so I personally would say, you know, considering that, these for red and purple, it's pretty dope. Packaging is cute. I love palm trees, because who doesn't? It's so tropical and beautiful and warm, and it feels like what summer should feel like. Get it, girl. I can't wait to see what other new stuff she's gonna come out with. I think now she'll have plenty more opportunities, and I think you can get to have a little more fun the more success you have, so I can see some cool stuff coming in the future. Good luck to you, little lady. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Tell me what you think. Tell me your opinions on this palette. Hope you guys like this look. I think it's really fun and beautiful, and I could totally rock this. I love this look. Later, Gators. Bye, everybody.